To record slow motion videos on Oppo Find X9 Pro, first of all, let's open our camera app. Next step is to click on more options right here, and then we'll be able to find slow motion. Now you can click on the resolution options on the top, which allows you to put 4K in 120 FPS, which offers great resolution but kind of slow FPS for slow motion. You can also go for 1080p, which will lower resolution and quality of your video but improve the quality for slow motion. And of course there's also 720, but it's kind of pointless unless you want to save up some space to use it. So here I'm gonna go actually for 4K, and then we can record slow motion video. So it should work for anything that is moving, so I'm just gonna wiggle my hand in front of the camera, click on the shutter button, and then wait a couple of seconds and stop the video recording. Now if we play it back, we'll be able to see that slow motion. So here we have it, and that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.